Today I'll be showing you how to make scratch-off cards at home. I'm using a design that I created using the Canva software. I'll put the website in the description below. Once you have your design pulled up and everything is correct, you will then download it as a PDF print file. Now my design has more than one page, so when I download, I make sure to select page 1 because that's the one I want to print. Now you have your design downloaded to your laptop and we can move on to the next step. We are now moving to the Avery website so we can select the brand of business cards that we purchased and we can get started with the printing. In the search bar, I put the product number for the cards I'll be using today, and you can find that number on the front of the package that you bought. So you just hit the Start Designing tab, and you click the format that you need. I only need one side to be printed on, so I'll just select the middle option, which is print one side only. I would like it to be horizontal, so that's the design that I would pick. On this customizing screen, you'll see off to the side you can either select Edit One or Edit All. When you go to Edit All, that means all of the cards on that sheet will be the same design. It's time to now download your design onto your cards. So once you have your design uploaded onto the card, you just format it in to make sure it fits perfectly within the safety area, where you can see they have the guidelines for you to follow. Please be aware that anything that's part of your image that is outside of the safety area will not be printed on the card. So if you don't mind a little bit of the color off of the top of your card, then don't mind it, but if it's outside of the area, it will not be printed on your cards. This is the preview stage before your actual printing. You can zoom in or out to get a closer look at your design. Once everything is to your liking, you'll then select Print Yourself and then select Get PDF to print. I would suggest saving your design on Avery.com under your account, especially if you will possibly print this design over and over again. You download your PDF file and you check out the preview. You select your print option and then you go in and make your final little tweaks. I like to go in just to make sure the quality of my print is just perfect. These are the cards that I was using today, and here is the printed copy. I'm using a Cricut to print out my scratch-off sticker shapes. You then place the sticker over the discount code on your scratch-off card. Here is the final product.